Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. So, today we are going to discuss chapter 8, that is international relations and the environment. So, chapter 7 already very small portion is left only. So, we will discuss that one in the live class and we will complete it in the live class. So, I am starting this chapter 8. Okay. So, like environment, they don't have we cannot adhere environment into certain boundaries, like the boundary of air, water, or soil, or migratory species of animals and all, but it creates problem with respect to environmental management, and it poses some global issues. The activities of global environment, it affects the activity it affects the environment of one country, or globally it will create some problems. And uh, it is for this reason that when it comes in protecting the environment, the initiative taken up by one state or nation, that must be backed, or it can be supported by others to make any difference at all with other countries. Okay, with the help of case studies discussed below, an attempt has been made to bring the light of dimension of these issues. First is the case study in Amazonia. Amazon is the uh, greatest in Amazon, the greatest and the largest tropical rainforest are there, and it is rich. It is a very rich source of biodiversity. These forests are the habitat of many animals and plants. Worlds means half of the world's animal and plants, and it provides water, it provides fuel, it provides oxygen to the environment. It controls the climate of the environment also, as it brings rain, it gives oxygen. So it controls the climate of the environment, global environment. So these forests are being cut down at an alarming rate. It is fears that within a couple of decades, that can be that will clearly uh, completely lost. So if it is lost, then it will have an adverse effect on our environment and on our earth. So the various causes of degradations, forest degradations are there. So some of the reasons are given here. So, like, first is housing. In countries where the population is increasing rapidly, like in Peru, forests are cleared for accommodate for to accommodate the growing people. It's continuous number of growing people. Next is cattle ranching. So it is a very common activity in many of the Amazon countries. The export of beef is a very lubricative business for poor South American farmers. The beef is exported to many of the developed countries. Hundreds and thousands of farmers were relocated to the river basin. It's near the Amazon River. Sorry. Next is transport. The laying of roads in the Brazilian part of the rainforest has made the forest all the more vulnerable. Due to easy accessibility, more deforestation for development work has been made possible. Next is natural resources. Amazonia is a rich storehouse for all the natural resources like timber, minerals, and oil. Major deforestation has been taken in order to exploit these resources, like large deposits of ores of bauxite, iron ore, tin ore, and diamond are responsible for clearing one-sixth of Brazilian rainforest, and the discovery of oil in Ecuador has led to large-scale clearing of forest. And next is timber. The rising demand for timber, coupled with mechanized modes of felling trees, has been accelerated the rate of deforestation. The accelerated deforestation to the rainforest has been brought about by integration of several factors. Some of the factors, like the state of peasant farmers and their need to earn livelihood, the large storehouse of natural resources, Brazilian government policy of Heavy subsidies for agriculture and relocating farmer into forest, the construction of roads into forest, small farmers being out there for the land, holding their cattle ranches, land speculation. All these are several factors that affecting the degradation of degradation of forest in Amazonian area.